night on the Weather Channel.
This is crazy.
You'll never know how twisted weather can be.
Yeah, that's real.
Wicked Weather Sundays with strangest weather on Earth and American Supernatural. Tomorrow night at 9, only on the Weather Channel.
A high wind warning is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 56 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. High 57. Chance of rain 90%. For tonight, windy with showers. Low 48. Chance of rain 90%. Our 7-day outlook.
See the weather like never before.
Look at this! Listen to that!
Amazing starts here. The Weather Channel Mornings.